Hey, welcome back, everybody. Uh, New subscribers are welcome. Old are welcome also. For you new folks, you never know what you're going to find here. Sometimes it's average, normal stuff. Sometimes it's a little different. It's just me doing my thing, right? That's all. I'm what you call a minimalist, but I use 21st century technology. So, what do you say? Let's cook something minimally. How's that? Oh, what kind of rabbit hole we gonna go down this time? Well, tell you what. I slept under the AC and got a little chest cold, so bear with me. So, what do you say? Let's go to the lab and make something simple. So here on the bench we have some eggs. That's nice, right? Very technical. Didn't know what to do with this, so we'll keep going with this. Wasn't sure. Flip it, not flip it. What are we making here? What are we actually going to do? Well, I'm going to make an omelet first. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. What's that? Did you see that? Did you see that? What happened there, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see that again. Right? So we got some egg going. Right? The skill. High temperature, low temperature. That's always the question when you're cooking egg. It depends on what you want to do with it. Uh, I don't add any water or milk or anything like that. No, no. Check it out. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what? Shrimp? Are you kidding? Really? Let's check that out. Where did those come from? Right? Oh, wow! What a surprise that was. So here we go. I had some shrimp, so I decided to do a little frying on them. Now I did add a little tiny bit of what they call cornstarch, just to give it a little bit of something to just a little crispy, crunchy thing. Nothing terrible. Look at that. Oh, just the right amount of absolute, absolute goodness. Absolute goodness. Nice and browning up. Now people say, oh, what's overcooked or whatever. Well, supposedly, if they curl up, they're overcooked. I don't know. I don't know. I cook them till I like them. Whatever, right? Let's check an overhead view of this. Proper placement, right? I have no idea what kind of shrimp these are. They were in a bag on sale at Wally World, so there you go. It doesn't take a lot to feed a human being. It really doesn't. And plus, I haven't been feeling good the past couple days, and I wanted something kind of luxurious in a way. So check it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Actually cooking here, ladies and gentlemen. That's actually hot lard, right? Look at that. Some people cook in butter, whatever. Nah, I'm a lard guy. Anyway, so what do you think? What do you think? Check this out. Bang. Oh. Now some people may not like this, but I like mine with a little bit of mayonnaise too. So I'll have some. What is mayonnaise? It's egg and oil, right? It's not, it's like putting steak on steak. Delicious, absolutely delicious. Would you eat that? Oh yeah. Oh, you know, mayonnaise or not, I don't know, but shrimp omelet, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. Whoa, very nice. It was just what the old tummy needed, right? Hey, thanks for popping in and watching me make some shrimp omelet. Oh, yes, I feel much better. I do. It's all good. So, tell you what, leave a comment, thumbs up or something. I'm out of here.